Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years, and if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com, and I hope you enjoy the morning brief.
Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, April 25th. Yes, I got several emails from some of you about my septic tank story from yesterday, so I'll give you an update. Today, the tank is going to be pumped. I have a rental property, and its septic tank is full of shit. So, yeah, it is what it is, and there's lots of shit jokes. But that being said, and thank you for the responses. Let's look at today, April 25th. We have at 10 a.m. we have consumer confidence, new home sales, Richmond manufacturing, all at 10 a.m. Red one being consumer confidence, very important number. And that's it for the day. That's completely it. Now, earlier at 9 o'clock, we have the housing price month over month and year over year at 9 o'clock, but you can see those are yellow items, so I'm not too concerned about it. But 10 o'clock, the CB consumer confidence item is a big enough item that I'm actually probably going to be flat the market during that time. So, you want to play news events accordingly. The most conservative is just to exit your position. If you're more aggressive, you may just want to widen your stops because there's always going to be a big batch of volatility that comes in when these news items are released. Of course, new home sales. I've talked about how home sales and home construction is very important to the United States, not only on a national basis, but also on a local basis. And the Richmond Manufacturing Index is the southern part of the United States. It's always of interest as well. I actually think this should be a red. But that being said, let's moving on. The daily chart, again, more sideways action. I mean, we've got 3 days now that are, within the same range, basically. Looks like we're gapping down a little bit today. Where could we go? This area right here where we can see 4110 to 4100 is certainly a range we could easily get into on the top side. These highs up here are definitely within range. 4200 to 4183. Those are easily within range based on the size of the ranges of previous days. So that's kind of the general location. What do I expect? Yeah, sideways action. It's going to go sideways maybe for an extended period. Who knows? Still have the bull flag in place, looking for a breakout to the high side. That's what bull flags usually do. Not that they always do that, but they certainly usually. This is a time when energy becomes building within the market, and the longer it's in here, the bigger the move, either up or down. But bull flags normally break to the top side. Taking a look at the inventory. So yesterday's inventory, we were up yesterday, and inventory was negative. So again, we are starting to get some divergence. Let me put some lines on here. So there's the close to the close right there. And, the more divergence you get, divergence just is highlighting the fact that we want zero, right, close enough. We went down. Whenever you have divergence, the more divergence you have, it just keeps telling you, hey, something is not right. The market is not acting like it is supposed to. And anytime that I have a divergence here, I wonder what's going to happen, okay? A lot of times it becomes very obvious, like, there's profit taking or there's buying on the dip. What is this going on? I have no idea because we had a nice run up, it came down, it recovered, and yet inventory made an effort to recover but never recovered. So maybe some skepticism is coming into the market. Hard to tell, but whenever you have divergence, market's not acting like it's supposed to, be aware. All right, so we have our intraday, looking for some intraday numbers, support and resistance. You've got a big cluster of numbers up here. You've got a Troy level. You've got other stuff. 157 and change, first level of resistance. 164.50, and I'm going to say 173.50. Those are your three resistance levels above. Support levels below, I would have to say that 41.29, or I was rounded up to 41.30, 41.19, and 41.07. Those are your three levels to the bottom. Stock Trader's Almanac today is 52.4, 52.4. So that is a very small but a slight positive historical bias. It's from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. I'll see you guys tomorrow.